Hello, everyone, and welcome to the last episode of Stay Creative York County of the year 2020. I hope that you and your families are doing well. So today I wanted to do something a little different and kind of tell a story that also has a doodling or art element to it. So you all know that my name is Sarah. You see it at the beginning of every episode. But what you might not know is that I am named for my grandmother. So we have the same name. And when I was growing up and learning how to write my name, she taught me something special about my name that I could do when I wrote it in cursive. So, a cursive S, capital S. I draw mine like this. So we go up for a loop, down for a swoop, and it looks like this. So this is how I learned to sign my capital S for my name. So my grandmother showed me how to take this and turn it into something else. So here we go. And there we go. I've just taken a cursive capital S and turned it into a duck. Now this really fascinated me as a kid, so I decided to take the next letter of my name, which is a lowercase cursive a, and though it does have this swoop right here, I wanted it to be something else. So I gave it a little beak, and a little eye, and a little wing, and some little feet, and I turned it into a little chick. So that is something from my childhood, a story to tell, and I am challenging you to look at your own name, cursive or print, and see if you can take the letters in your name and make them into something different. I have found how to make an F, capital F, my cursive capital F, which is very swoopy, as you can see. I can turn this into a smiling cowboy. Or you could even turn it into just a mask wearing cowboy, bandana or regular face mask. So there you go. So just practice drawing letters in cursive and in print and see if you can turn them into something else. I always thought that this kind of looked like a rhino with its little horn and its little ears. So yeah. So that's all for today's episode, friends. I hope that you found this to be interesting, and I hope you enjoyed my little story. Remember, everyone, this holiday season to just reflect on the past year. This will be the last episode of 2020, so I will see you next year in 2021. So remember, everyone, to be safe, be well, and as always, be creative, York County. Bye-bye. Happy New Year. Happy holidays.